In the realm of modern bedroom design, inspiration abounds with a wealth of innovative ideas that redefine the concept of a restful haven. These spaces are not merely places for slumber but are curated retreats that blend functionality with aesthetics, reflecting the evolving tastes and lifestyles of contemporary living. The modern bedroom often embraces a minimalist ethos, where simplicity reigns supreme. Clean lines and uncluttered spaces create a sense of calm, allowing the mind to unwind after a busy day. Neutral color palettes, such as soothing grays, soft whites, or muted pastels, dominate the modern bedroom, offering a versatile canvas for personal expression and stylistic accents. The focal point of a modern bedroom often revolves around a carefully chosen bed design. Platform beds with sleek frames, upholstered headboards, or even innovative floating designs capture the essence of contemporary chic. Innovative storage solutions are a hallmark of modern bedroom design, aiming to maintain the serene atmosphere by minimizing clutter. Built-in closets, underbed storage, and multifunctional furniture cater to the practical needs of a modern lifestyle while contributing to the overall clean and organized aesthetic. Lighting takes center stage in modern bedroom inspiration. Creative fixtures, such as pendant lights or stylish wall sconces, not only provide functional illumination but also serve as statement pieces. Smart lighting solutions allow for adjustable brightness, creating the perfect ambience for relaxation or reading. The incorporation of natural elements, such as indoor plants or wooden accents, connects the modern bedroom to the outside world, infusing a breath of fresh air into the space. These touches add warmth and a touch of eco-conscious style, contributing to a holistic sense of well-being. Artwork and decor in a modern bedroom are often carefully curated to reflect personal taste and create a cohesive aesthetic. Large statement pieces, gallery walls, or even a strategically placed mirror can serve as focal points, adding character without overwhelming the simplicity of the space. Flooring choices in modern bedrooms lean towards materials like hardwood or sleek, easy-to-maintain tiles. Layered rugs, whether neutral or with bold patterns, add both comfort underfoot and a touch of visual interest. Ultimately, modern bedroom inspiration is about creating a personalized sanctuary that balances simplicity with sophistication. It's a space where form meets function, and every element, from the furniture to the decor, contributes to a holistic environment that fosters relaxation and rejuvenation in the midst of contemporary living.